This was new to me. Webex makes a mobile phone. Now, first time I heard about this, similar to my initial reaction with the camera and the headphones, I was a bit dubious until I realized, again, that these phones are not about me as an individual. These are about teams of people who are out getting things done. Think frontline, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, anywhere you find tough people doing tough jobs that require reliable communication. Now, there's two different sizes and lots of options. You can get a waterproof, dustproof, chemically resistant mobile phone that you can even use chemical disinfectants on when you need to really get it clean. And these things are physically tough. These phones can fall from over 5 feet without breaking. And the larger phone features a hot swappable, kind of removable battery. You don't have to power down. You can keep your momentum. There's front and back cameras, of course, and then even a barcode scanner. This thing is made for getting things done. It comes preloaded with your Webex app, but you can also install whatever else you need. All IT management is handled through Cisco Unified Communications Manager or Cisco Meraki. So again, these are purpose-built for mass deployment and usage. Bottom line, the most calling features of any enterprise VoIP smartphone you're going to find. It's the Webex wireless phone.